Hello, welcome to Swavel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fish appetizer recipe. We call this as Apollo fish and you would see it in a lot of Indian restaurants. I got boneless tilapia pieces like this from Costco. You can take any fish you like, and then I've cut them into small pieces like this. Add all spices now. Add 1 egg. Add some all-purpose flour and some cornstarch. Mix it well. Take a wide pan like this, add enough oil to fry the fish and let it heat up. The oil is hot, so let's add the fish pieces in there. Fry these on both sides until they turn golden brown color. Keep these fish pieces aside. Take a wide pan, add some oil and let it heat up. Add some grated ginger. Next add some garlic, green chilies, some curry leaves, coriander powder, some cumin powder, some chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder so it just gives a nice color, some pepper. Fry these for a minute. Next add some chili garlic sauce. Add some ketchup. Next add some soy sauce. Some salt. Add some curd or yogurt. So after this is cooked, now you can add the fish pieces that were fried earlier. Coat all the fish pieces well like this. Don't mix them too much as they can break easily. And just let it cook for 2 minutes and we can turn off the stove. I tossed it gently and this is all done now. And just garnish it with some cilantro and our Apollo fish is ready. This dish tastes amazing, so do try it and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye.